Hi, welcome back to the Grassy Mitten. Today I've got a DIY home project video with my door. It's a little rainy out today, so it's not a good day for a lawn care video. So let's see what I got with this door. So this is the problem I've got. I've got this hinge and the holes, a few of them, are stripped out and won't tighten. They just keep spinning. I'm sure some of you have come along this problem. They just spin, they won't grip, and it comes loose. Oh, this one grabs. But they just kind of come loose and they just end up ripping out. So I got a fun little hack online and I just want to share it with you. So let's see what I got. So this should be pretty simple. All you need is some wood glue, a screwdriver, and some toothpicks to fix this problem. So let's see how we start to do it. Okay, so what you do is you place the toothpicks in the hole. We're trying to fill this hole up with more wood basically, so the screw has something to grab onto. So I think I'm gonna need 3 or 4 for this one. So there's 4 there. So I think that should work. So I'm gonna put some glue on the ends of these toothpicks. Okay, so this is what you do. Put some glue on the end of the, that came out fast. All right, put some glue on the end of the sticks there. Put them into the hole there. And wait for that to dry, and then sew on with the other ones. Just kind of gauge how many you're gonna need. Should be 3. Some glue on the end of it. It holds. More on that. That's it for this step. So now we wait for the glue to dry and I'll show you what to do next.
2 hours later.
Okay, we're back. It's been a couple hours. Made sure the glue is good and dry. So these are definitely in there pretty good. They're not coming out. So what you need now is to get a hammer, or you can just break them off by your hand. I think just snap them like that, and they come off just like that. Or you can use a hammer. This one here. Do that, and they also break off like that. So either way is fine. If you have a hammer, if you don't. But this is what it looks like. It fills in the hole. So your screw has something to grab onto. So let's put the hinge back on and see if this works. All right. So we're getting the hinge back on here. Line it up. Put the screw in. My hand so you can see it. I can feel it gripping already. Good and tight there. Let's try another one. That. for this last one, I wanted to bring in and show you up close how this works. Oops. Put it in there. This is really gripping good. Look at that. That hinge is going nowhere. That's on there. It's like brand new now. I guess this works. What a hack. Saved me from buying a new door. Look at that. Now, there's two other ways you could fix this also. One was a golf tee. Put the golf tee in the hole. Break the golf, put glue on it, break it off, just like you do with a toothpick. Or there is a product called, I think it's Screw It Again. The same idea as the golf tee. It goes in to a certain gauge, break it off, and it gives you a new surface to put the screw into. So those are other products you could use too, but I went with toothpicks because I already had them. So when this worked, perfect. Well, I'm glad that worked. Saved me from buying a new door. That's what my wife suggested, but I said there's got to be another way. So I found a way, and this worked perfectly. So for a toothpick, some Gorilla Glue, and a screwdriver, I saved myself some money. For $3.50 was the cost of the glue. I already had the toothpicks and the screwdriver. Optional hammer if needed, but I really didn't need the hammer, so this is a quick fix. Anybody can do this. Hope it helped you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.